Hey, good morning. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. This morning we're riding out to Blacklick, Ohio. Come on, take a ride with us. Okay, we're in the midst of some troubleshooting now. We've got this line to where it's ready for install. Just a little bit of dirt removal there at the front spout. But we're going to go ahead and see if we can't map this drain line that's coming from the front entry over to the left side of the home. You'd think that it would be coming directly over from the spout going over toward the main line, but it's not. If you can see down in here, this elbow is turning towards the street, so that line's going out, and then at some point in the yard it's turning to make its way over to the main line. We've got a 1065 with a 3/4 inch cable on it. We're going to send that down the line and listen in the ground, find out just where that downspout drain is going. So as I send the cable down the line, there's a lot of torque on the cable, and remember it's spinning, so it makes a lot of sound as it hits the side of the piping underground. So we can hear it, and we can mark it with spray paint where we hear that line, and we can just follow it to its end or where there might be blockage. Alright, we put some paint marks in the ground and just listened in the ground, listening to the cable, and we could hear it coming to this point right here. Can you hear that? There's a Y where it ties into the old main line, so we've got that dug up, and we're just going to continue the existing line from the front entry spout and tie it into our new work or new main line on the left side with 4-inch pipe. Here where we cleaned and mapped the drain tile, we've adapted from the 3-inch pipe that's underground to 4-inch pipe, and we're running all 4-inch pipe in the main line and on out to the street. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's easy once you know how.